Shotgun through the countryside, horizon stretching far and wide. We bypass strip malls and blurred state lines, continental plates collide. Destiny undecided on this divided highway. Where to and who's driving on this divided highway? Headwinds rise as the river bends, trolling borders to the promised land. El Paso, Bravo, Rio Grande, the lines drawn through shifting sands. Rifle holsters and rebel spirit, bullet holes through posted speed limits, failed attempts to reinvent what's native and who's an immigrant. Destiny undecided on this divided highway. History is one-sided on this divided highway. Morning in America, traffic moving slow, right off into the sunset, dark night of the soul. Shattered promises, reparation and renewal. Southern tradition meets the golden rule. Brokered treaties, 40 acres and a mule. Social distancing before it was cool. Cylinders backfire, fuel descent. False news hardened into cement. Roll over rushmore or statues of shame. All bets are off when it's just two lanes. Destiny undecided on this divided highway. Flashing high beams are blinded on this divided highway. Destiny undecided on this divided highway. Close to the edge and short-sighted on this divided highway. All right, thanks so much. This is Sean Woodward jamming away up here on the guitar, making everything happen.
Thank you.
you.